Hello friends, it's me, Miss Jessica. Welcome to our first unboxing. Every month we are going to do a video where we show you some new materials we have at the children's department. We're going to show you all kinds of different books and also keep an eye out for another video with our DVDs and CDs that we get in that month as well. So let's get started. We're going to begin with our new picture books. The Trouble with Time Travel by Stephen W. Martin. Wild Honey from the Moon by Kenneth Kragle. Weekend Dad by Nassim Harab. Holiday by Natalie Nelson. Charlie and Mouse Outdoors by Laurel Snyder. And for our friends who are learning how to read, we have a huge selection of readers, and this is a new one we got in this month, Frozen 2, Spirits of Nature. That's it for the picture books. Now let's check out the new graphic novels. Mammal Takeover by Abby Howard. Sanity and Tallulah Field Trip by Molly Brooks. Egg or Eyeball by Cece Bell. Next up are our Spanish books. Did you know the library has a whole Spanish section? There are all kinds of books and materials in our Spanish section. Let's look at some of the new things that have come in. Now let's check out our new fiction books. The Littlest Voyager by Margie Prius. Wondrous Rex by Patricia McLaughlin, and A Trip to the Country for Marvin and James by Elise Broach. The Real McCoys, Wonder Undercover by Matthew Swanson and Robbie Baer. Ghost Squad by Clarabelle Ortega. Here in the Real World by Sarah Pennypacker. Knights versus the End of Everything by Matt Phelan. City Spies by James Ponte. Finding Orion by John David Anderson. And the last in our fiction is a brand new series we have at the library. These are the first 5, and the series is called Aquatic Adventures in the Overworld. Now it's time for our nonfiction box. This series. We actually have several of these. A few have already been checked out though. They went out very, very fast as soon as we got them in. This one is Millie the Cat Has Borderline Personality Disorder by Jessie Shepard. And this one is Vinny the Fox Has PTSD by Jessie Shepard. And we have many of these different ones that deal with different mental health disorders. Honeybee by Candace Fleming. Everest by Alexandra Stewart. The Bug Girl, A True Story by Sophia Spencer. Sporting Chance, How Ludwig Gutmann Created the Paralympic Games by Lori Alexander. Spotted Tail by David Heska Wambley Whedon. Most Wanted, The Revolutionary Partnership of John Hancock and Samuel Adams by Sarah Jane Marsh. Bones in the White House, Thomas Jefferson's Mammoth by Candace Ransom. On Your Mark, Get Set, Gold. An Irreverent Guide to the Sports of the Summer Games by Scott Allen. It's a Numbers Game, Basketball by James Buckley Jr. This is a National Geographic Kids ESPN book. Flight for Freedom, The Wetzel Family's Daring Escape from East Germany by Kristen Fulton. And that's it for the nonfiction. Thank you so much for joining me for our unboxings today.